Okay, let's have a look here at this question. So first we want to calculate z squared minus z plus 3. That will equal 2 minus I squared minus 2 minus I plus 3. That would equal 4 minus 4I plus I squared minus 2 plus I plus 3. So I squared is minus 1. So it's 4 minus 1 is 3. And with the 3 here is a 6. But the 6 with the minus 2 is 4. So let's just write that down. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, and then minus 4i plus I is minus 3i. And that's kind of nice because I don't even have to do the calculation. It's a 3, 4, 5 triangle. Obviously done on purpose. The modulus here is 5. Square root of 4 squared plus 3 squared. Next, we just want to simplify this fraction. It should not have any real component. So the way we do that is we multiply above and below by the conjugate, which is minus 4 root 3 plus 4i over minus 4 root 3 plus 4i. So on the top, oh, did I write I twice? I did, that's actually a 1. On the top, I multiply by minus 1, I get 4 root 3 minus 4i. Then I multiply by I root 3. So that would be minus 4 times 3 is 12i. And then I root 3 times 4. So that's going to be, I squared is a minus. So minus 4 root 3. Which is actually nice because it cancels there and there. And then on the bottom, I'll have minus 4 root 3. So that'll be 4, 16, 48. I think 16 times 3 is 48, and then at the back I'll have plus 16. So that's 64. So this will equal minus 16i over 64, which simplifies to a quarter minus a quarter I. So that means the k is minus a quarter. Okay, next we want to find the roots of z cubed minus 1. So this is part C now. So we can factorize here the difference of two cubes, z minus 1 times z squared plus z plus 1 equals 0. So therefore z equals 1, or z equals minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 1 minus 4ac all over 2a. So that means z is equal to 1, or z is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 3i over 2. So if I just remove this on the left here, I have my 3 terms here. 1, and this is omega and omega squared. So that means 1 plus omega squared will equal 1 minus 1 plus I over root 3 but I'll put a plus here and put that over the fraction, over 2 I mean, and then plus minus 1 minus I root 3 over 2. So you can see if we put that all over 2, that'll be 2 minus I plus I root 3 minus minus 1 minus I root 3. That's all equal to 0 in the end, because the 2's, the 1's cancel, the i's cancel, so it's 0 over 2. So that's the first part done. And now for the second part, let me just make some space up the top here. We just want to calculate 1 minus omega squared to the power of 5. Okay, let's have a look here. 1 minus omega, which is minus 1 plus I root 3 over 2 minus omega squared, which is minus 1 minus I root 3 over 2 power 5. What will that equal? Let's make a bit more space here. So inside the bracket here, what will happen, let's see. It'll be all over 2, and this will be 2 minus, so that'll be plus 1 minus I root 3 plus 1 plus I root 3 power 5. They cancel. So it looks like you're just left with 2 plus 1, which is 4. 4 over 2, which is 2 power 5. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So it looks like the answer here is 32.